Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't ask me why I put my cat ears on. I think it's because tomorrow's Halloween. I'm just feeling, meow, whatever. I just filmed this look, so this is gonna go up. And stay tuned in that video. There is a extra special treat at the end. So I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing of the Boxycharm I got for October. I know it's October 30th, but whatever. So yeah. Oh wait, but first, you guys know what to do. You know you want to press it. You know you want to press it. So just press it. Press subscribe. Okay. So I'm like, okay. So yeah. So we got a palette in the Boxycharm. What is this? This is the. I haven't even opened this. I've been like so busy. So this is the, I'm probably going to give this away, so I'm not going to open it and swatch it. I'm sure you've seen swatches. It's like eyeshadow and then I guess like a highlight contour blush kind of thing. So yeah, not bad. From Pure. Pure has pretty good stuff. Looks like there is a IT Superhero mascara. So it looks full size, so that's good. I got the Avaha Mineral Hand Cream. So, hand cream. I can always use that. And then I got the Briogeo Don't Despair, Repair, Leave-In Mask. Oh, okay, leave-in, because you guys flashback to all my other videos, you know I hate hair products. So this is the Kat Von D, which I've been actually wanting to use this. This is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and my color is Bow and Arrow. And yeah, if I can get it open, I'll probably give the mascara to my sister. I have so many mascaras, and honestly, I don't use them all. Oh, okay, so it's a nude. This is my skin. This is my skin color. Like literally. It's so funny. Oh my god. Okay, so I already have lipstick on, and I need to take some selfies in this. So I'm just gonna swatch my hand. Oh, okay, it's a little more pink than my skin tone. But yeah, okay. This literally is a nude for me. Like literally. That's so funny. But yeah, like with a lip liner, I think it would be pretty cute looking. So yeah, okay. Alright, Boxycharm. Alright, Boxycharm. But move over because Glitz Glam fam, we have started the Glitz Glam box. Okay? Get ready because it is all full-size products. All full-size, okay? The theme is glitter because why not? So the theme is glitter, and it's $15 a month, and the website is set up. Everyone check it out. I'm going to put a link down below, of course. And you want to make sure to pre-order your December box. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. You can check out my other video. There's a little spoiler in there. I'm leaving little hints on Instagram, and then we will do a big reveal in December to tell everyone what you're going to get in the box. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you follow my Instagram at glitzglamfix, and then I have one for the box as well. It's called at glitzglambox. So it's just like at glitzglamfix, only put a box on the end. Okay, until the next time, guys. Bye.